Well, look at what we have here. Got the new exhaust. Got the old one taken off already. Not really gonna show how to put it all on, how to take it all off, like in depth, because there's already a ton of videos like that out there. I just want to get this bad boy on and get it fired up. Like I said, did take the old one off. I ordered new gaskets for it as well. So the old ones are right here. Yeah, so got new ones. I don't know if I really needed new ones, but it's good to get them anyway. And got a couple other things in there that I need to get situated for this, but we're gonna get this section right here put on, and kind of want to start it up just to see what it sounds without a can on it, and then we'll get the rest of it set up. Yeah, should be good. But Mike, this thing is heavy for stock exhaust. I just don't know where to put it. I guess I'll put it right here. Oh shit. I mean, I don't really care how it looks. Honestly, give less of a damn. I'm never gonna put it back on because this is a bike I'm gonna keep forever. So let's get first section put on, and then it should be good to go. I would like to point out real quick, these are new, the bottom ones are old, and I was a little wrong when to say they were okay. New is like a lot newer. So we'll get these bad boys put on real quick, get that section done, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the header portion on there loosely. Well, not loosely, I hand tighten it. I'm very curious to see what it sounds like this. I just want to see how loud it is before I put the can on. So we're gonna do it. I'm gonna turn it on real quick and then immediately turn it off. Ugh. Oh my God. Okay. Holy shit. That's awesome. Okay. That was beautiful. Okay. Wow, I'm really excited for this to be done now. So let me finish it up and I'll get right back to y'all. It's pretty much done. Put that rag there because my brake was kind of scratching it a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna tighten up these little bolts right there. Get those taken care of. Put the O2 sensor back on. Put all this stuff back together, and then we will fire her up. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is the moment of truth for Old Blue. Sorry, I just took, it's all smoky. Damn, this looks nice. All blacked out M4 exhaust. Dad's Harley in the background, setting the scene. Oh yeah. A little nervous to turn it on. And I cracked it open with no can on it, but everything is secured. I'm not gonna touch it because I just cleaned it. I got a good trick I learned from Jake the Garden Snake is get some brake cleaner, throw it on a rag, wipe everything down. It takes all the scuff marks, not really scuff marks, but like your fingerprints and stuff off of it. And yeah, right before I cleaned it, checked it all, you know. These bolts right here, it's good to stage them down. Don't do one side, then another. You know, don't tighten it all the way on this one, then the other one right behind it, don't tighten it all the way, and then go to the bottom ones. Stage them down, you know, do what you gotta do. Got it hanging up, got the O2 sensor. Originally on the stock exhaust, the O2 sensor ran from here, 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 and came down here. And you can see a little clip right there where it last hold on to, it's like right here. But it's now behind the exhaust, or like the opposite side of it. So ran it from back here, pulled the wire through here, and ran it up, and there's a clip right there, clipped it in, hooked it back up. It's good to go. The pegs all back on. Yeah, let's fire her up. Where'd I put my keys? My pocket. A good thing to do as well. Actually, hold on. Another trick I learned from Jake the Garden Snake: get a rag, and when you turn it on, put it right here so you can create. You don't have to like suffocate your engine, but like, you know, kind of hold it right here and feel for any leaks. And so actually, I'm gonna do that real quick, and then I'll come back, record how it sounds. But we already kind of know how it sounds, but it's awesome. Okay, we're good. No leaks anywhere. Everything is tightened up. Don't worry about that. I used a little bit of like all-purpose grease to put the new gaskets back in, so it's gonna burn it off. The smoke is okay though. But all right, let's turn it on. See how she sounds. I'll put the phone right next to it. Holy shit. Damn. Okay. Well, now I just have to wait for the tune. I mean, you can ride around with it with no tune. It's kind of bad, but a few ride arounds won't hurt it. And I need to get the new air filter as well. Those will be coming in soon, but I am gonna hop on the bike and rip it around the block for a few minutes just so we can see how it sounds. But I'll be back with that. All right, y'all ready for this? Because I am. Now, I will say one thing. Yes, it is a full, like obviously it is a full exhaust, but like I stated in the last couple clips, it won't hurt it too much to ride around with no tune and no like upgraded air filter or anything, but I'm not gonna be like ripping it around like I normally do. Like I usually ride this thing every single day. For now, it's gonna be just kind of sitting here, but I am gonna take it out every now and then until I get the tune and air filter, and then whenever I get those two, I'll be back to normal. But this fire all blew up. Oh. Fucking ridiculous, bro. Ah! In my opinion, this is literally the best sounding exhaust because I think it has the throatiest sound to it at low idles. Now, obviously, to me, in my opinion, it seems like all the exhaust, once you start getting up at about 6, 7, 8 grand, they all sound about the same. But that is just me, so. But at the low end, I think this sounds the best. Like, oh my God, dude. I'm gonna go grab some food real fast. And everything should be all grand. Would it be bad to leave this open? Nah, I'm only gonna be gone for like an hour. But I also want to get a test ride in on this bad boy. Jesus. Listen to the rev. Oh my God. Now also, because whenever you do get a new exhaust, I feel like I have to talk a lot louder because damn, this thing is overpowering as fuck. I hope it does not mess with the recording. Dude. It's so fucking loud. Anyway, now, because this is a full exhaust, there's a lot more airflow going out of the engine, and so I am, you know, I'm getting a lot of decreased power because there's no tune on it yet. Now once I get it remapped, it'll have more power actually, because of the I really hate when the camera does that, but yeah, there'll be more airflow going into it, and so it'll be great. But this thing is fucking loud. Damn, son. I don't think you could be throwing up any more diesel. Oh, the new Silverados have that, like, auto turn off thing, whatever the fuck it's called. I got a short shift because that's a cop right behind me. Dude, it sounds like a fucking Harley on steroids. Hopefully, I haven't done a nighttime ride in a while. I usually don't do them anymore just because of the camera, but hopefully it picks it up pretty well. It's not night time yet, but the sun just went down, so. Dude, man, I really hope that it's not overpowering. That's also why I'm talking a little bit louder, but you know, I can always adjust the volume in editing, so if my voice is too loud or everything is overpowering, I can just turn it down just a little bit. I don't know where that cop is. I didn't want him to be behind me and me not have my blinker on. Oh, it's so good. Okay, I will be back shortly. Okay. Damn! Fuck! They want me to kill the bike on the way out, so I gotta do it for them real fast. Damn, this bike sounds so good! This is just, I don't even know. I don't even know how to explain it. It's just fucking amazing. And then doing that, oh!
and then listening to the backfire of it. Literally the entire time I was eating, I was like, I just wanted to get back on the bike. I was like, I got done eating, and not unfortunately, I talked to someone I haven't seen in a while, so I stayed there for like another hour, but I cannot get over that, dude. It just, the way it screams, man. I can't get over it. All right, people. That is it for the loving sound of this fucking beast of a vehicle, of a motorcycle. And next thing to do, I guess some fucking rocks came up on there. It's okay. Next thing to do, probably not gonna ride it for a while. As a while, I mean in like maybe a week, 2 weeks at most. Gotta get the flash for this. This is probably the hardest I'm gonna ride it for a while, and like I said, until I get that flash tune kit and the new air filter. But I just had to enjoy it. I couldn't. I ordered everything together at once too, all three of those things, and this just happened to be the fastest to come in, which doesn't make any sense. But I'm hoping that Thursday both things will be here, because that's my day off of work. So get that all installed, and then Thursday I can fucking rip around town on a newly tuned MT-07. But yeah, that'll do it. All right, thanks guys. Appreciate y'all sticking around here in this beautiful bike. Hope y'all have a wonderful day, and oh, Happy New Year's.